guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm showing you guys how to make teacup candles, and they are so cute. So I want to show you how to make them, so let's get on into it. Okay guys, so to begin you're going to want to get some teacups. You can go to Goodwill and just pick up some pretty teacups. I was given these by my grandma. They're not heirlooms or anything like that, so I felt like I could make them into candles. And what you do is you just glue the little wick into the bottom of the teacup, and then I'm just going to add some of my crushed candle flakes in a jar, and I'm just going to fill it up, and then I'm going to watch it really close and put it in a microwave. And I use the microwave for this just because it works so much faster than using the stove, and if you really watch it, it's not going to burn. So once it's all melted, you can dye the color of the candle wax. You could do this using a crayon or dye coloring that's made for wax. Then you're just going to pour the wax into the teacups, and I did this evenly, so there was just about the same amount in each one. And then I put a knife to hold the wick up because the wick will fall over if you don't, and I put these in the fridge. You can leave them out, but they harden faster in the fridge, so that's why I threw them in there. And these are so cute. You can make them smell any way you want, and they just look like adorable spring decor. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like, subscribe, because I put out new videos every Friday and new vlogs every Sunday. See you in the next one soon. Bye!